Welcome to the vADz Custom Video Editor. This video is meant to show you how to use the different vADz transitions. Under the Transitions tab, we have 8 different transitions labeled to show you the different effects they create. You can use a transition to transition between 2 different video clips, 2 different images, or between an image and a video. To use our transitions, you will have to drag and drop the transition you want into our transitions line. Now you have to figure out what you would like to transition between. For example, I'm going to have an image clip transition into and out of one video clip. On this example, you will need to make sure that the transition box lines up with the image that I am transitioning. You can also use the transition to where it transitions from the video into the image. You are also able to select the transition box to change the direction of the transition, so that you can transition from the bottom video line to the top as well. For example, I'm going to use the same setup and then transition back up into another video clip. You can do this several different ways. You will always want to make sure that the transition box lines up with what you're trying to transition into or with. For example, here's what happens when they are not lined up. Here's another example of transitioning in between 2 different videos. You are able to get as complex as you would like with many different transitions. For example, just make sure you're lining up the transitions correctly. And here is one last example to help with different creative ideas. Please notice how everything lines up to create a smooth transitioning effect. That finishes up the overview of how to use vADz different transitions. Make sure to check out some of the other videos for great tips.